Thank you for watching the introduction of brand new E-Series ultrasonic cleaner. The E-Series ultrasonic cleaner has the brand new designed control panel, which is totally different from all the other ultrasonic cleaners in the market. Instruction. A step. Turn on the device to select a cleaning mode, and here we have two modes for you, the degas mode and the ultrasonic mode. B step. Rotate the mode selection and time setting knob to start cleaning by setting a value of cleaning time. Even in the cleaning process, the cleaning mode can also be switched based on the ultrasonic cleaning status. C step. Rotate the temperature setting knob to start heating by setting a temperature value. And here please note that heating can only be started when the preset temperature is higher than the actual temperature. Tip 1. The best ultrasonic cleaning temperature is among 40 to 60 degrees centigrade. When the preset value is lower than the actual temperature, the heating shall be suspended. What we need to pay attention here is the ultrasonic cleaning can also heat the ultrasonic cleaning solution slowly, so the temperature of cleaning solution may become higher than the preset temperature. D step. Rotate the mode selection and time setting knob to stop cleaning by making the time value indicator be on the off position. E step. Rotate the temperature setting knob to stop heating by making the temperature value indicator be on the off position.